didn't break up. It wasn't me. Is it true it's snowing in Sweden? Okay, so here's the thing. Sweden's a very long country. It's almost like a shoe. Like a over-knee boot. So up north, absolutely. More in the south, I don't know. Probably not. Let me see what the temp is like in Stockholm today. Okay, so it's 0 degrees Celsius in Stockholm, so there might be snow there too. It says they're getting snow on Thursday. Then it's gonna get a bit warmer again, so yeah. Hello?
Hello.
Hi. Where do you want to land? The mic is open. Chat.
I small speak English. I Czech Republic.
Ah, okay. Want to go here? The yachts? The boats? It's fine, we'll figure it out. Yeah. Why the tactical AR is so good? The tactical AR is so good because of hit scan, and also because they put the tactical with the benefits of the scope, but without actually adding the scope. Yeah. That's why it's so crazy. Always no build. Why? Bro, we literally played build ranked the other day. Are you good? My goodness, what do you want? Streaming PC fixed? It's basically a memory leak problem. So I've been able to find like a bit of a way to get around it now. I don't know how to fully fix it though. But yeah. What is that? I don't know. Enemy? Where are they? What? No! I was trying to be sneaky. Come on, bruh. I bumped into him and he was like, I'm smelling something suspicious. Oh god. Okay. I'm confused. There was one more here. Wait, did they die? What? Okay, I'm confused, but oh well. I don't know, it is what it is. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is real good. Okay, Slay. Favorite boss NPC? Probably Meowdus, just because he will splash you. I think they've changed the NPCs to not throw a bunch of like grenades and stuff, because Eminem was throwing way too many grenades and Ice Spice were throwing the ice grenades over and over again. Where'd he go? What? How we didn't see him? Okay, I don't know. Yeah, Ice Spice tried to throw me off of a mountain. She tried to eliminate me. Thanks to Matt for the 26 months. To me, is it lagging? Is it lagging right now? Type 1 if everything is running smooth, and type 2 if you're experiencing lag on the live stream right now. The name of the rap? The rap I have, it's the John Wick LTM one. Oh, it's good? Okay, good. Hopefully it stays that way. Alright, let's get going. Boogeyman? Is that what it's called? It's basically a rap that was free in Chapter 1, Season 8, I believe. There was this LTM, and you did quests, and you unlocked it, basically. Yeah. Anyways, I think my favorite NPC would probably be Meowdus, just because he'll splash you, and I think that's pretty nice. I would say that Snoop can be pretty good, like close range. I feel like his aim kind of goes crazy. But yeah, I'd probably just go with Meowdus. Wait a minute. Nice bouncing. A good rap? Yeah, I mean it's very clean. It's just really like matte black. There's been some other raps that have looked kind of similar throughout the years, but obviously not exactly the same. Tiantina clutch? Really? I feel like Tiantina is quite useless. Like, she doesn't really do much. Because of course, bots can't hit every single shot they make, and she's got like a boom bow, so yeah. She's not very helpful most of the time. Oh, my ears are sticking out. Oh no. It seems like a similar amount of people are like, basically the pace of the game remains the same even if it's ranked. It could also be, you know, a bit lower ranks, maybe that's why, but yeah. Season's okay. I think this is pretty solid for a filler season. I do quite enjoy when things are continuously changing in Fortnite. So it's kind of nice to have a season that's not meant to, you know, be around for so long, and getting an update every week with like a new weapon rotation. Ew. Oh no, you're kidding me. Come, bro, come.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bro. Oh. Well, he got the card. He's rebooting here? Are you serious? What? The heck? What? You what, mate? You what? Oh well. I thought he was maybe doing it for bait at first.